YouTube and welcome back to my channel. For today's video we are doing this eye that you see right here. It is just a smoked out cat eye and I only used one palette for this whole look. It is the Milani Soft Sultry palette. I have done a video using this palette before. I will go ahead and link it down below if you guys are interested in seeing another way of using this. This is obviously a predominantly cool toned palette, but I decided to use this because that's everything I need and it's not super expensive. Helpful tip, if you are interested in purchasing this, get this at Walmart. It is like 14 or 15 bucks at Walmart, whereas like Ulta and the Milani website are selling it for like $20. So if you want to save a couple extra dollars, Walmart has this for $5 less. I did only include the eyes, lips, and like blush and highlight in this video. The rest of my face products will be listed down below just to save some time and really focus on the eye makeup. So if you're interested in seeing how I got this look, keep watching. Alright, so to start this look out, we're going in with the JOA Truly Yours Full Coverage Concealer. I do not know the shade name off the top of my head, but I will have everything listed down below. Go ahead and set that with the colors Enhance and Halo from the Tarte Park Avenue Princess palette as per usual. And then we're going to take this NYX Jumbo Pencil in the color Black Bean and create our wing. I like to start on the outer corner and then slowly drag it in. And then the star of the show is the Milani Soft Sultry palette. The first colors we are going in with is Soft Touch and Smokin' Hot. We're just going to put those in the crease for a little bit of definition there. And then as you can see, I like to take it and drag it out towards my temples. I just like the shape that it gives my eye. And then taking a little bit more of Smokin' Hot on this small fluffy pencil brush, we're going to go ahead and set that NYX Jumbo Pencil and really start to smudge that color out. Don't worry about this being perfect. Obviously this is smoked liner, so the more smoky and hazy it is, the better. And now going in with the color After Hours, which is a little bit darker of a brown gray shade, we're going to go ahead and start to really smoke out that liner. And then we're going with this brush that we used in the crease. I don't know the name of it, it came in a set, but with no additional product, we're going to start to really diffuse that and kind of make everything merge together. Now going in with After Hours and Untamed, we're taking on an even smaller detail brush and putting that closer to the lash line. Basically, the darker the color, the closer to the lash line you want it to be. Now going with the black shade called Naughty Night, but that's extremely close to the lash line. And apparently I thought that was a good idea to make that a little bit thicker. And now, because I'm not the most neat person when it comes to blending, I'm taking some eye makeup remover and a Q-tip and just neatening up that outer wing situation. We're going in with the Tarte Feisty Blush. I went ahead and did most of my base off camera just to save some time and to really focus on the eyes. Now we're going back into the eyes in that same Jumbo Pencil by NYX and putting that into our lower lashes, smudging that out with a little brush. This brush does not have any product on it at the time, it's just stained black, but go ahead and start smudging that out. And now we're going back in with the color Smokin' Hot, which is a color we used in the crease, and starting to blend that out. You can make this as smoky as you want, or keep it as tight to the lash line as you want. Then I went ahead and set my face with the Urban Decay All Night Setting Spray. This is the Too Faced Better Than Sex Mascara, light coat of it. For highlight, we are using the iluvsarahii and Dose of Colors highlighter in Soulmate. And for lips, this is the Morphe Liquid Lip in the color Jealousy. It's just a nice dark nude cool tone shade. And this is the completed look. I really hope you guys like it. Everything will be listed down below. Don't forget to subscribe and check out my Instagram.